Good morning, my name is Jessica Silvana Marin. I am a student of foreign language in semester 2. Today we are going to talk about task 8. This task is about personality, my life, some questions, and that's it. Okay, my name is Jessica Silvana Marin Gonzalez. I am from Colombia. I am 33 years old. I am a teacher and disciplinary coordinator. I live in Andalucía, Valle del Cauca. Okay, Andalucía is a small town. It's a happiness place. The people is very friendly, very honest. In Colombia, our town is the sweetie town. We made black and white gelatin. About my personalities, what are my hobbies? I love to ride my bike. I like mountain bike, and I love to ride horses. I love to spend my time with my family in different things that we can do together. Qualities of me: I am an honest person. I am persistent. I am empathy person, patience, loyalty, creative, helpful, fair, respectful, discreet. I think that I have a bad quality, and this is I always say the truth, and people is not ready to listen it. So I think so that one is one bad. Okay, routines and weekend plans. Okay, my daily routine from Monday to Friday is very hard for some people. Okay, I wake up at 4:30 a.m. I take a shower, I get dressed, I make my breakfast and make the breakfast of my family. I pack the lunch for my boys. I have two boys. I eat breakfast at 5:30 a.m. I go to my job at 5:50 a.m. The classes start at 6:30 a.m. At noon, I eat my lunch with my family. Always we have lunch together and dinner too. In the afternoon, I back to my job at 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Then I go to the CrossFit 1 hour. I am back at home, and then I have time with my family, make dinner, eat dinner, and start to prepare all the things that we need for the next day, and sleep. What usually on weekends? Okay, on weekends are pretty small for me because I am a mom of two boys. I am a mother of one dog and my husband. Okay, during the weekend we always try to have time with my family, make food for them. We always go to the church every Sunday. I try to rest a little bit. I have to study always at night because during the day I have a work. So on weekends I sleep late because I have to study. Okay, the next question is significant person in my life. Okay, I have 5 significant persons in my life. They are really important for me. They are my parents, like mother and father, my husband, and my mother-in-law, and some teachers that I work with them. Okay, for this activity, I describe just one person. That person is my husband. He is 31 years old. His name is Leonardo Fabio Gonzalez Bolaños. He's studying industrial engineer. He's in the last semester. He's tall, he's young, he's well-boiled. He's dark-skinned, he's round face, he's short, spiky and black hair. His eyes are small. He's handsome, he's honest, he's impassioned, super impassioned, he's loyal, he's creative, he's fair, he's competent, he's impulsive, he's neurotic, and this is okay. Share some experience. And it was an event that made me so happy when I was in the hospital, and after some minutes I have my babies in my hands. The emotions are crazy because you didn't know if cry or laugh. You don't feel the pain after you have the babies in your hands and you listen it the first cry of them. Okay, an experience that made me happy. Okay, I think so that when I was pregnant of two babies, I felt so happy. I prayed so much to God for them. Dreams and future plans after my graduation. After my graduation plans, I want to do a master degree. I would like to back to the USA. I want to find a better job. I want to learn other languages like Alemán or like French. I would like to live in Washington, USA. And this is all. Thank you so much for listening and for your participation in this video. Thank you.